The plane flew high in the sky. The mountain is high. They are reading every page. Every team needs a strong leader. The college is near my house. They are sitting near the lake. Add some water to the floor. Please add me to the mailing list. I like to eat healthy food. They cooked a lot of food. The man is sitting between the ladies. The dog is between their feet. She runs her own business. I have my own home. The man is walking below the bridge. The pipes are below the sink. They are driving in the country. The cottage is in the country. I water the plant every day. This plant has beautiful flowers. I ate the last cookie. He finished last in the race. They are late for school. Their school is very big. My father combs my hair. We visit our father every week. Always keep the workplace clean. They keep a meeting every month. The tree is very tall. We planted a new tree. I will never stop learning. I will never eat meat. Always start your day with a smile. I start working at 8 a.m. They live in a big city. The city has beautiful lights. The earth is round. We must protect the earth. She has bright blue eyes. Close your eyes and go to sleep. Please turn on the light. The light is very bright. I thought about you today. She thought it was a good idea. He fell and hurt his head. She is shaking her head. The car went under the bridge. She is looking under the bed. He told us a funny story. He is reading a story to the class. I saw you last week. We saw it online. She writes with her left hand. Our house is on the left. I don't have any friends. I don't know what where. I have a few new messages. He had a few questions. Don't text while driving. She was reading while waiting. We walked along the beach. We get along very well. It might rain today. This might need some changes. Close the laptop after you shut down. Close your eyes and relax. He saw something strange. They are trying something new. They seem like a happy family. That doesn't seem right. She lives next door. Turn the page to the next chapter. This test is hard. He works hard every day. Please open the window. The store is open now. Here is an example of it. I like this example. Let's begin to read. The class will begin soon. Life is beautiful. He enjoys his life. I am always busy. He always has great ideas. Look at those birds. She likes those shoes. Both of these are beautiful. They are both very happy. The man is reading the paper. The boy is cutting the paper. The women are working together. They are having lunch together. He got some great news. The man got lost in the city. We are in a group. Our group meets every week. He often visits his parents. They often read together. I like to run in the park. The children run fast. Family is important. It's important to eat healthy. There are 12 days until Christmas. We worked until late this week. The children are dancing. The children are reading. We are sitting side by side. The car is by the side of the road. My feet are itching. My feet are swollen. The car is on the highway. The man is repairing the car. The beach is a mile from here. She ran a mile today. The stars shine at night. He is working the night shift. I went for a long walk. I walk to work every day. He is wearing a white shirt. The floors are white. The sea is calm today. I love swimming in the sea. He began a new job. The river began to melt. Plants grow in the sun. We grow a lot of tulips. I took a selfie. I took off my glasses. The river is long. They camped near the river. We have 4 children. I slept for 4 hours. He can carry the basket. They carry all the equipment. We visited a new state. California is a large state. I call her once per week. This was once a dream. He is reading a book. I got a book at the library. He likes to hear music. I wish you could hear me. Please stop talking. Nothing can stop me from playing. I can read without my glasses. I can't do without my phone. He came second in the race. It is her second birthday. She was late for her flight. Lunch is late today. I miss my family. We don't want to miss the train. He has an idea. That's a great idea. I have enough time to get there. There is enough food for us. We like to eat fruits. They eat lunch together every day. She has a kind face. The boy is washing his face. I watch TV every night. We like to watch movies. He lives far away. The town is far away. We like Indian food. They visited an Indian market. They look like real people. She likes real flowers. I'm almost finished working. I'm almost done my homework. I have to let go. Let me try that. The sun is above the clouds. My apartment is above the store. The little girl is coughing. She is a smart girl. Sometimes we need a little help. It's good to be alone sometimes. These mountains are beautiful. He likes to hike in the mountains. I cut my hair each month. Cut some cucumber for the salad. The young man loves to run. They have a young daughter. Let's walk and talk about it. We have to talk about the event. I'll be home as soon as possible. She is coming back soon. I made a list of the things to do. I checked the list twice. He is playing a new song. I like to sing this song. I enjoy being with friends. He is being very helpful. We will leave a tip. I will leave work soon. I love to spend time with my family. They have a big family. It's a sunny day. It's time to leave for camp.